All right, this is our usual setup, but we just got these for the windows to keep the heat in and to make it dark. We ordered these from WeatherTech, especially to fit our car. Here's our mattress. I like to change the sheets to whatever, like, I don't know, these look like winter to me. So put those on there, our electric blanket, and then this really thick comforter thing that we got. We did not bring our refrigerator today. We just brought the cooler this time because we won't be gone long. All right, now I'm gonna show you the Blue Eddy. Okay, here's the Blue Eddy. I can show it to you better when it's out of the car. That's there's more plugs on the other side. I think that's why Kevin set it in there, because he'll be using those other plugs, or the plugs on the other side more. The cooler or refrigerator always sits right here, and I sleep up next to it. And then we just got my bags. I don't know where Kevin's is. These are laid on the mattress till we get there. I just threw my coat and junk back here, Kevin's snacks. This is what we have so far. Are we in Galax, or almost? We're headed to Galax. We're not quite there yet. I think it says 20 more minutes, and is that to his land? Okay, 20 more minutes will be to the land.
Bucker Highway 3.
That's like a 180. Oh, look at the ice on the side of the rock. Welcome to Virginia. In Virginia. We made it. We're in Galax. We're at Kevin's friend's land, and I'm gonna turn around and show you. It is so nice out here. I can't wait to come stay. He's got steps going down. There's the river. Really nice. Oh, I can't wait to come stay here. See the mountains up through there. This is so nice. And so nice of him to offer just to let us stay here. Which is tempting to stay here tonight, but I think we'll probably go ahead and go on to Beckley to stay so that we can go, I can't remember, what's the name of that bridge we're going to? the New River Gorge with the big bridge. That's where we're gonna go tomorrow. And then we've got to get back before the snow comes. Oh look, there's a rainbow. See it? Part of a rainbow.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Virginia 94 North Scenic Road.
Do you see it? We are going to Fry's, Virginia. Fry's, like a French fry, Virginia. In Fry's, Virginia. There you go.
There it is. About 12 kids go to.
I wonder how many do go there.
Well, we got one bus.
Got 17 miles of winding road till we get till we get off of this road. So I hope Kevin doesn't get sick.